Welcome to lesson 23 in our basic JavaScript section of freeCodeCamp. In today's lesson, we'll be going over escaping literal quotes in strings. So when you are defining a string, you must start and end with a single or double quote. What happens when you need a literal quote, double or single, inside of your string? In JavaScript, you can escape a quote from considering it as an end of string quote by placing a backslash in front of the quote. This is the example they give us. They have a variable named sample string and it's assigned Alan said Peter is learning JavaScript. They use the escape character here, and this allows JavaScript to know that we're not ending our string there. We actually consider this as part of the inside of our string. So this signals to JavaScript that the following quote is not the end of the string but should instead appear inside the string. So if you were to print this to the console, you would get Alan said Peter's learning JavaScript, and as you can see, this is where we had put our escape characters, which allowed JavaScript to know we actually want this inside of our string as part of it. So the instructions say use backslashes to assign a string to my string, or to the my string variable, so that if you were to print it to the console, you would see I'm a double quoted string inside double quotes. So all we gotta do really is copy this and then bring it over here. And if we go into variable myString, we want to assign it that string they just told us. So there are double quotes and we want to paste inside of the double quotes that string. But as you can see, JavaScript thinks this here is the ending, this one, the second pair of double quotes, but we actually want it to be a part of this double quoted quote thing. And to do that, we gotta put our backslash there. Every time that we actually want that quote inside of our string, that's where we would put it, right before it. Here we also would want it, and here. And now this whole thing is one string with these escape characters that tell JavaScript that we want these double quotes inside of our string. So that should be it for this lesson. Let's test this. And sure enough, our editor down here actually shows us what it looks like. My string, and it's assigned I am a double quoted string inside of double quotes.